In today's video, I am going to teach you how to configure a printer to print instantly in Google Chrome. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, create a new tab so you are on the main browser screen. You will see the Customize Chrome button. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may appear as a pencil icon or a gear icon. Click that button to open the customization menu. When the menu appears, find and select Toolbar. Inside the toolbar settings, look for the area labeled Tools and Actions. In this section, you will see a list of features that can be turned on or off for the Chrome toolbar. Find the option labeled Print. Once you see Print, toggle the switch so it is turned on. Enabling this setting adds the Print shortcut to your Chrome toolbar. That means the Print function will be available instantly from the browser interface whenever you need it. After you turn it on, you can close the customization menu. The change should apply right away, so there is usually nothing else you need to save. From this point forward, when you want to print from Chrome, the Print tool will be easier to reach directly from the toolbar. That covers everything you need to know.